Hi guys, RV here, and today I'll be doing review of the movie Kai Poche. Kai Poche is a 2013 Bollywood Hindi movie. IMDb has rated 7.6 and Rotten Tomatoes have given 76% ratings. It's actually a nice coincidence, like 76 in both the places. Uh, this is a special review for me and for all the Sushant Singh Rajput fans and to be Sushant Singh Rajput fans, because Kai Poche was the first movie Sushant Singh Rajput debuted. It's a 2013, so it was way back, like 7-8 years ago. I haven't done its review, and I think this will be a fitting tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput. Um, uh, uh, this is a very I'm shooting this video in the month of June 2020. In this month itself, Sushant Singh Rajput was died. He died, and not because of any natural cause, but he committed a suicide. So this video is totally is a tribute, and it's a dedicated to Sushant Singh Rajput. May his soul rest in peace in heaven. And this will be a very special video and review for me, and I hope people watch it for the sake of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, just to start, I would like to say a few words about Sushant Singh Rajput. He was really a dynamic character, not any kind of special or something, but his career was rising. He had a dynamic career, as in the sense he started from serials, daily soaps. He made appearance in dancing shows, and ladder wise, step wise, he made it to the big banners, and he was in some big banner movies. For example, MS Dhoni, Chichore, uh, and some of his lesser known movies is Kedarnath and Rapta. Now, I recommend people to watch Kedarnath. I'll be coming, or I don't remember I've done Kedarnath's review or no. If you can check it out, or I'll make another review video. It's one of the movies which is lesser known, and Sushant Singh Rajput's lesser known movie, but he has acted well in the movie. So, just to say a little about Sushant Singh Rajput, uh, he was 34 years old, so he was not old or middle aged. Also, he was in late in his he was in middle of his adulthood, and he was not at his peak. He was still not at his peak, and he has done some very good movies. You can check it out. So it aches my heart, and it should ache every youngster's heart when a youngster dies, because he is the future of the country, and Sushant Singh Rajput was a talented actor. Now, his death has triggered a lot of things in Bollywood, discrimination happening in Bollywood industry, like racism, selective morality, nepotism, and bullying and all, about big actor by big celebrities, actors, and banner houses. Some of the names which has come forward, I don't want to comment on it. It may or may not be true, because there's not sufficient proof. It's all internal matter, and it's being curbed. But if Sushant Singh Rajput has been a victim of it, it's very very sad, and I feel for him. And as all the entire India should feel for all the youngsters facing from such problems in the industry and elsewhere also. So I hope Sushant Singh Rajput's family is okay, and I mean well to them. Okay, let's get on with the review. Kai Poche. Kai Poche. These three words are from Gujarati language. I do so. The movie is quite nice. This is in the story. It's a story of three individuals. One of them is Sushant Singh Rajput, and the other two actors, who these three are friends. Other one is Rajkumar Rao. He is also a dynamic actor, very dynamic actor, to say. And the other one is Amit Saad. He's also a good actor, but he's not an upcoming actor or something. But yes, he acts well. He's acted in some nice movies and all. So these three friends, the story of these three friends is intermingled with the Gujarat riots of 2003. So one of them is Kattar Hinduwad, that is Amit Saad, and uh, 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 yeah, and so he is one of the teams. Like the riots happened between Muslims and Hindus. So, but Sushant Singh Rajput is not. He's a very secular character in the movie, and he is not with both of them, and he tries to save a Muslim boy. So that's where all the thing sticks up, and there are cracks between the three friends. And Rajkumar Rao is the intelligent one among them. So their stories intermingle with them, and the riots happen. So Amit Saad is with the riots with among the Hindus, and Sushant Singh Rajput tries to save the boy. And in this all interplay, cricket is the central theme, because these three friends start cricket coaching, and they start a cricket sports shop. So I won't disclose the end, because then it's of no use. So the direction is nice, the acting of all the three characters is nice, the screenplay is well written, it's well intermingled, and the movie has some moral lesson giving at the end, and it awakens the society. So I always tell my viewers, fans, or to watch such kind of movies. So you should, every person in the society should, and they should take some good elements from the movie. That is what all the movie industry is about, to showcase the contemporary situation in the society. So the screenplay is nice, it's well written, the execution is well done. So I will give it, the people's choice rating would be 3.5 stars, the critics rating would be 3 stars, and it's more than one time watch movie. Just there's a disclaimer, let me clarify. When I say one time watch movie, it has no relation to the rating and the critic rating. Movie can be bad or moderate rating wise, but they can be watched more than one time, because you don't get bored in the movie. So it has a bit of entertainment factor. So the entertainment factor is nice, the of the movie. So you can watch more than one time, you won't get bored. And there are some movies which are very well written, like the Oscar type, but you cannot watch them more than once. So this is the difference, so just pay attention to that. So you can watch it more than one time, and I hope people will watch this review and feel for Sushant Singh Rajput as I do. Peace.